Apple is poised to make waves in the tech world with the highly anticipated unveiling of the iPhone 16 and its groundbreaking AI capabilities. Scheduled for release later this year, the iPhone 16 promises to be a major leap forward in both design and technology, showcasing Apple's latest innovations under the banner of Apple Intelligence. This revolutionary suite of AI-driven features is set to redefine user interaction with the device, creating an even more seamless and intuitive experience. The iPhone 16 is expected to feature a sleeker, more ergonomic design with enhanced durability and a more vibrant display, ensuring a timeless aesthetic while offering practical improvements. Speculation around the camera technology hints at superior low-light performance and advances in computational photography that build on the already impressive capabilities of its predecessors. However, the most exciting development might be the integration of Apple Intelligence, which aims to provide a highly personalized user experience. Apple Intelligence will likely include real-time language translation, making communication easier across different languages. Sophisticated predictive text coupled with enhanced contextual understanding will streamline message composition, adapting to each user's unique style. Another remarkable feature could be adaptive battery management, intelligently optimizing power consumption based on user habits, ensuring the iPhone's battery life is managed more efficiently. The intelligent photo sorting feature, a part of Apple Intelligence, is designed to organize images based on context and user preferences, making it easier to locate and share memories. Moreover, Apple continues to prioritize user privacy and security, ensuring that these AI features function without compromising personal data. This commitment could set new standards for the seamless integration of AI into everyday smartphone functions, making them not just smarter, but safer for users. As the release date approaches, excitement builds around these innovations and how they will reshape the smartphone landscape. Apple's dedication to pushing technological boundaries while maintaining a superior user experience is evident with each new generation of iPhone, and the iPhone 16 is no different. This next evolution, driven by Apple Intelligence, has the potential to be a defining moment in the history of mobile technology. Apple aficionados and tech enthusiasts alike eagerly await the moment they can experience these groundbreaking advancements firsthand.